Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Luxury channel. The camera opens with a slow cinematic sweep across a quiet vintage street. In the center of the frame sits a rare beauty, the 1950 Frazer Manhattan Convertible, a car that symbolizes a bold moment in American automotive design right after World War II. Only a small number of these convertibles were ever built, making it one of the most exclusive cars of its era. Today, we're diving deep into what makes this classic so special, from its elegant exterior to its luxurious interior, its road performance, and why collectors consider it a true gem. Exterior. The exterior of the 1950 Frazer Manhattan Convertible immediately catches the eye with its long, sweeping body lines and graceful proportions. Designed during a time when automakers were transitioning from pre-war styles to modern post-war aesthetics, the car perfectly blends old-world elegance with futuristic design cues. The front end features a wide, commanding grille framed by large round headlights that give it a distinguished presence on any road. Chrome accents wrap around the body, outlining the fenders, window frames, and bumpers with a level of craftsmanship that feels almost artistic. The convertible top folds neatly away, revealing a clean and refined body profile that looks just as stunning with the roof down as it does up. From the white-wall tires to the polished hubcaps, every exterior element reflects both luxury and pride in American manufacturing at its finest. Interior. Moving to the interior, the Frazer Manhattan Convertible continues to impress with its upscale design and attention to detail. Step inside, and you're welcomed by spacious seating wrapped in premium materials that were considered high-end even in the 1950s. The seats are wide, comfortable, and built for long-distance cruising, echoing the American dream of open-road adventure. The dashboard features a beautiful blend of chrome trim, classic gauges, and a symmetrical layout that feels both vintage and elegant. Large windows and the convertible top create an airy, open cabin experience, giving passengers a true sense of freedom. The steering wheel is beautifully crafted with a thin rim and stylish horn ring, typical of luxury cars of that era. Every switch, knob, and detail reflects hand-built precision, a reminder of how cars were crafted before mass automation took over the industry. Performance. When it comes to performance, the 1950 Frazer Manhattan Convertible offers a smooth and comfortable driving experience rather than aggressive power. Under the hood rests a 226 cubic inch inline-six engine producing around 115 horsepower. By modern standards, this may seem modest, but for its time, it delivered strong and reliable performance. Paired with a 4-speed Hydra-Matic automatic transmission available on select models, the car provided effortless cruising on highways and city streets alike. The suspension was tuned for comfort, allowing the car to glide over bumps with ease, making it a favorite among families and luxury enthusiasts during its production years. The steering is light, the brakes perform well for a 1950s vehicle, and overall ride quality offers a calm and enjoyable experience, exactly what a luxury convertible was meant to provide. As the video nears its conclusion, the camera pans back to capture the Frazer Manhattan Convertible in golden sunset light, highlighting its timeless design. Even though Frazer as a brand didn't survive the fierce competition of the 1950s, the Manhattan Convertible remains a symbol of bold innovation, craftsmanship, and elegance. Its rarity makes it a dream for collectors, its design tells the story of a post-war America filled with optimism, and its presence on the road still turns heads decades later. The 1950 Frazer Manhattan Convertible is more than just a car, it's a piece of American history, a rolling sculpture, and a reminder of how creativity and ambition shaped the early automotive era. Whether you're a classic car enthusiast, a collector, or simply someone who appreciates beautiful engineering, this convertible stands as a shining example of what made mid-century automobiles so extraordinary.